Whether you need to get more work done in less time or need more time for yourself and your family, this video is going to leave you wishing you came across it earlier. What you are about to learn in the next 5 minutes is a remarkably simple trick that will save hours and hours of your time and effort. Hi, my name is Yash. My goal is to help you level up in life and become a better version of yourself. Let's get started. It is crazy when you think about it. You've got all this time-saving technology and a bunch of productivity apps, yet you don't have any free time. Does this sound like you? You are pushed to the maximum, praying for a break and drowning in the chaos of your daily to-do lists. You have eliminated redundant tasks, yet you don't know where all your time is going. You feel trapped in an endless loop that you're begging to escape. This hurts your relationships with others, and more importantly, your relationship with yourself. The internet is full of distractions. I used to take up too much time drafting these video scripts, way more than the average YouTuber does. If I don't set a deadline, I find myself taking days to finish one script because I tend to research more than required, then get carried away while I come across other interesting topics. After struggling, I finally found the solution I hadn't thought existed. I randomly came across Parkinson's law on the internet while I got distracted from scripting. When I read about it, I thought it wasn't going to work. I decided to give it a shot anyway. To my wonder, it worked like magic. I suddenly started completing tasks way quicker than I did before. My scripting time came down to 50%. Since then, I have been more productive than ever. Parkinson's law states that work expands to fill the time allowed for its completion. Stay with me, I'll tell you what exactly it means. If you give yourself a week to complete a 2-hour task, then psychologically speaking, the task will increase in complexity and become more daunting so as to fill that week. It may not even fill the extra time with more work, but just stress and tension about having to get it done. If something must be done next week, it will be done next week. If something must be done tomorrow, it will be done tomorrow. We plan based on how much time we have, and when the deadline approaches, we start to make choices and trade-offs to do what must be done to complete the task by the deadline. By assigning the right amount of time to a task, we gain back more time, and the task will reduce in complexity to its natural state. Always set deadlines. Except now that you know how Parkinson's law works, set much tighter deadlines. If you give yourself 8 hours for a task, start off by giving yourself 4 hours. The pressure of an imminent deadline is the ultimate fuel. When you're up against the clock to complete something, your mind makes it happen. If you still feel like you need more time after those 4 hours, go ahead and give yourself another hour. You're still saving 3 hours. As you start using Parkinson's law in your daily life, you'll start getting a better idea of how much time to allot to each task so as to be more efficient. Use this to save hours every day and do whatever you want with those extra hours. Please hit the like button and let me know that you found this video helpful. What are you going to try this trick on first? Comment and let me know, because that way you'll be more likely to do it. If you like this video, you should check out my other recent uploads as well. Share this with your close ones whose time you demand. Subscribe to this channel to join me on my journey of personal mastery. With all of that being said, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the week ahead, and let's level up together.